Alright guys, what is up? First I want to say thank you for tuning back into my channel. If you are new here, don't even pause the video, just scroll down real quick, hit that like button, and then hit that subscribe button for me. First off, I would like to say thank you guys for being real patient with me. You know, I am new to like this whole YouTube thing. So with that being said, I just recently found out that my previous videos, they kind of sounded a little weird. I'm working on it. I'm in the process of getting a mic, but I realized when I do it like a whole different other way, it kind of works out. But I'll still be getting a mic just because I really want to make sure that you guys hear me. So for today's video, actually in my previous video, I did do a finger coil tutorial, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. This is day 5. I actually took them out, but I left a few of them up there just so you guys can see like me taking them out. So yeah, here's one. I'm just gonna take them out. That's already done. I know it's a whole bunch up here because I'll be missing stuff. See? Yep, this one. You just blend it right on in. And take that one out. Make sure I got them all out. I mean, as you can see, they do look a little like my sides just because of the way I was laying. When I go to sleep, they look a little funky, but we're going to take some product and we're going to fix that. What I like about finger coils is that this style can literally last you a week. So like I said, this is day 4 or 5 of me like having them finger coiled, and then I took them out. So yeah, this is day 5, sorry. This is day 5. I've been in for 4 days. I had them twisted for 4 days. And they last you a while. I went to bed with my scarf on and all that good stuff. I'm sure I think that's all those on that side. But yeah, like I said in my finger coil tutorial, these will last you like a week. I mean, as long as you take care of them, just like you do your regular hair, just like you do like braids and all of that. Jeez, why did I decide to do like really tiny ones right in the middle? I just feel like baby tucking. That's what I got in there. You always find that one in there. Alright. So yeah, obviously it did look a little weird because I think I just took them down, but I'm going to put some product in there. I actually wasn't putting product in my hair other than like some restoring oil or like my hair growth oil. Just to like keep it shiny. I really don't put anything in my hair just because I don't want to, well, let me not say that. I do put product in my hair, but I try not to put too much or like an everyday type deal just because I don't want my hair like feeling overwhelmed. I do generally put oil in my hair every day just so it can be restored no matter what I do. Even if I'm just lounging around the house, I'll still put oil in my hair. Alright. So now that I have them all undone, this is what it looks like. So they pretty much look the same, kind of. But they're more, the curls are more opened up and the curls are more defined. So what we're gonna do is we are going to take our Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil, the Moisture Me Curl and Style Milk, and take that. Like 4 pumps. I'm gonna work it right on there. Oh, see, look. Oh no, those are actually done. They look like they're not. Well, this one wasn't. Well, okay. Pumps. Make sure I really get it in here. Cause like I said, I have that product on my hair in a minute, so I'll take it in. Do. Stretch it out a little bit. Fluff a little bit. Fluff a little bit and shit. Always that one piece of hair that I always do want to stand it. Whoa, that's really long. Whew. What you doing? Okay, so after we do that, I'm going to take my Aussie Miracle Curls Curl Defining Oil with coconut and Australian Jojoba oil. I always take 1 squirt. I want it to fall out. And then I take my Total Miracle Restoring Oil with apricot and Australian Macadamia oil. And I take 1 squirt as well. Squirt. And then rub them together. Alright. And boom. Well, not boom just yet, but just fluff it how you like it. I like mine, I wouldn't say like all over the place, but I like mine looking as natural as possible. So like, I don't like to like pat it and make it like even, unless like in certain places. So I like it. Because my shrinkage is really like shrinkage. So I'm gonna try and pull it out as much as possible. And tuck this one back because Stephanie's not gonna know how to act. And then a couple of you guys have picked up in my videos that I just don't do my edges. I mean, my edges are really crazy long, but I just let like cover the water or like whatever gel that I put like up front, I just let it do what it do. Because a lot of times it curls naturally. And plus, I kind of really don't know how to do edges. Like, I do sometimes, but like 10 minutes later, my hair is like, no, and it be shriveled up. Yeah, like, I'd be like, oh, there's no point. So I don't really do my edges unless like I have like my braids and stuff, and then I'll actually like do my edges. Because I mean, that's all it is right here. So yeah. But this is that look. I might put some spray on it later, maybe. But I'm not really going outside the house. I just want to take them down just because They're starting to look a little raggedy. So yeah. Finger coils, they generally last me a week. So like I said, like the 4th, 5th day, I kind of take them down. And then I do my oils, and then I put a little leave-in on it. And then I just probably rock this for like a day because it like lets my hair breathe. So it's not just like when you wear braids, it's not like all in one. Like you gotta let your hair breathe. So I'll probably let my hair breathe for probably a day, more likely not more than a day. So tomorrow night I'll probably do a wash day. I'll show you guys how I actually do my wash day. I know a lot of times I leave, wash my hair, and then come back. Yeah, I'll show you guys how I do it because it's real interesting. It's a very unique way I do it. But yeah, that's it, man. I mean, if you liked this video, you know you did. Go ahead and hit the like button if you didn't do it in the beginning of the video like I told you to. And hit that subscribe button since you want to be just hard-headed and not do it. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Peace out.